In this video I'm going to show you how to use multiple effects on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your TikTok app, and now to start creating new video hit on that plus sign. Now there you are able to choose the first effect of your video. Hit on that effects button, and now there you can select some of that effects like that one. I now got these stars above my head, and now I can hit on record button to start creating the video. I'll take a video just about 5 seconds, and here you see the first part of this video. It has that effect, and now I can hit on effects button again to choose another effect like that one or some another, and now here I can record. I can continue recording that video. Just hit on record button and continue recording another part of video. So now there I got two parts of video with different effects, and now I can continue creating that video. I can add there more parts with more different effects, and then when I finish creating the video I can just hit on this check mark and see what happened. There is one effect and there is another effect. Now I can hit next and continue creating that video as I normally would. So guys, if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.